Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. I'm at a garden in Rancho, Santa Margarita that was designed by me and DIY installed by the homeowner, her two sons, and two of her nephews. And I'm going to show you what the garden looks like, but before I do that, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so this is the one side of the yard, and the plant palette here is Calilophus hartwigii, the sundrops, some red yucca, we have a Ceanothus dark star, some Siskiyou blue fescue, existing agaves, and the premise here is that the agaves will get big enough. This red yucca will get big enough to hide this eyesore. For budget reasons, we kept all the hardscape as it was, except for this area. I can't remember the name of this flagstone, but if I do, I'll put it in the video description. We bought it at Resource Building Materials in Lake Forest, and all of the plant palette here is the same as that other side, with the exception of this autumn sage. This one particularly has purple flowers. And then we did this kind of dry riverbed, and when these rocks are wet, it's like a colorful explosion of reds and greens and blues, and oh, it's so gorgeous. We put another Ceanothus, not concha, Ceanothus dark star, and then we put two more back there. We put two agaves way in the back that were existing. They'll grow and just kind of add something to the wall. We put one existing agave here, some autumn sage, some Siskiyou blue fescue, sundrops, red yucca. Ooh, this one. It has a little bloom. Apologies for the shakiness of the camera, but yeah. And this was literally all DIY'd by the homeowner.